what up? Assalamualaikum, Sat Sri Akal, Namaste. Welcome to my channel. This is Farhan here. I know it's been quite some time since I've uploaded my vlogs. I was quite busy. I had tight schedules. So I've just come over here to a place called as Seven Plates. These guys are pretty much famous for their rolls and their signature chicken dish called as Angara kebab. So I've heard a lot about this place, so I've just come here to try. I've just ordered food over here, so I'm just waiting for that. I'll see you guys in a bit. So the food has arrived. This is the Angara kebab. It's the signature dish of Seven Plates. And this one is the Angara kebab roll. It's a huge one. It's a big one. And I've ordered for another roll. That's mutton sheikh roll. So I have the Angara kebab roll now, so I'm gonna go ahead and dig into this roll. This looks yummylicious. So yeah, the first bite. Okay. Now the chicken is quite soft. It's tender. I love the masala. There's a lot of chutney over here. There's sweet chutney as well as I think they put in a little bit of tamarind chutney. It's amazing, trust me. It's spicy. Wow guys, you must try this out. It's amazing. Okay. I'm a messy eater. Okay, so the next up is mutton sheikh roll. This is, it's basically a mutton sheikh kebab, with the roti and the roll. I must say these guys, have, especially the rolls of the Seven Plates are quite huge, I must say. Okay, so let's dig into the mutton sheikh roll now. Okay, so the next up is the signature dish called as Angara kebab. So yeah, so let me just go ahead and try this one. This, especially the chicken looks like really tender and soft. And this looks yummy. So let me just go ahead. Here guys, share with me. Have it. Wow. Now this Angara masala is basically a garlic masala. Has a lot of, I can taste a lot of garlic in this. It has a lot of, I can taste a hint of coriander powder, some garam masala, and I must say the chicken is like to die for. It's soft and it's very tender. Now look at this. I am in heaven right now, trust me. So I'm just, I've just ordered for some steamed rice and some dal. So I'm gonna be having, so it's the perfect combination. Steamed rice, dal, and this, chicken, Angara chicken. I did not have plans of eating rice today, but I think this will go like really well. Rice, dal, and the chicken. So let's dig in. And as usual, I love eating with my hands. So here we go. Okay, the dal is like a little bland. It's not that spicy, but you know, it goes really well with this particular chicken, so it's fine. And guys, I'm just gonna leave the address of this place in the description box below, as well as the prices, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. I would give about a 3.5 star for this. So yeah, the food is like really good, and you guys should come over here and check it out. Brings us to the end of this vlog. I had an amazing meal today. So before I let you guys leave, I have an update to give you. I'll be traveling to Singapore next Wednesday. Yes, I'm all excited. So I'll be going to Singapore next Wednesday. Lots of exciting food and travel videos coming up. So stay tuned. Please go ahead and like this video, share this video, and subscribe if you still haven't. Now when I say subscribe, go ahead and click on the bell button right next to subscribe button. I will see you guys soon. Stay tuned for lots of more food and travel videos. Bye bye.